The reason we fished was just getting ready to board the American Angler out of San Diego for an 8-day trip. As usual, we were shooting around the dock, the loading process, and this video was captured by one of the crew members on their phone. The only fortunate thing about this was our DJI Phantom missed the water by a couple of feet. Although unusable for this trip, some new parts and cleaning all the sand out of it, and she did fly again. The moral of the story? Yeah, there isn't one. It's a freaking bird.